Guys, this is my '03 Bombardier Quest 650. What I'm going to do today is actually undercoat it with undercoating that is oil-based. It's made by Proform. I'm going to be mainly using this in the wintertime for plowing, and I'll be doing 3 driveways with it, so it will have a lot of contact with salt. So I want to make sure everything's nice and protected underneath, as well as I'm going to do in the tube for the push tubes for the plow, and as much as the little creeks and crevices I can get on the ATV. So my undercoating gun I'll be using is this. I've got another video undercoating a truck. This is made by Rodak, and I have 2 different nozzles. This is a 360 degree spray nozzle. This is good for getting into tight spots or into tubes, because it will fan out the spray. And then this here is mainly what I'll be using. It does like a mist, so it will spray out like that. And this is great. It does a nice fine mist. It's not super heavy, so this will be perfect for the ATV. So let's get the compressor fired up. Alright, I did want to bore you with an hour and a half of undercoating in the ATV, but let's see how it looks. So the seat's off. Everything here has been oil sprayed, and make sure you get up underneath little areas like this. You'll see a little smoke coming off. I got a little bit of overspray on the exhaust. And make sure you do little nooks and crevices like in here, in around your suspension, all the little areas you can't see, in here, up around your components on your handlebars, any nuts and bolts that tend to rust, even in your tubes for your passenger. Let's take a look underneath the rear. You can see it's certainly coated. There's probably as much undercoating on here as Rust Check would use on a vehicle when they do them. And I do the rims too. And in the springtime, I can certainly spray a lot of this off. But make sure you don't miss underneath, so take your time doing it. And up under there, around your fan, you know, little areas like this, make sure you coat in the inside here and inside your rear swing arm. Again, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to be using it for plowing this winter. So I want to make sure it's protected from the salt. That's your push tubes. All in there's got a ton of undercoating, as well as every piece of metal underneath the bike. Even in there's undercoated. And again, this is the other side of the motor, like I said, areas in there. A little bit of overkill, but you do it once at least, and it will certainly protect it. But this is something that I'll certainly do every year. All the back of the plow and the front of the plow has all been undercoated. I didn't go too heavy on the front. And inside the winch mount. And I'm going to spray a lot of penetrating oil in around the winch cable. Again, this took about an hour, hour and a half. I was just taking my time doing it. And there you go. Again, just a short video on undercoating and rust proofing my Bombardier Quest 650. Again, the same principles will apply on any other ATV or even cars and trucks. Again, I used probably 2.5 liters of oil-based Proform undercoating for this. It was certainly dry, and there was a fair amount of rusty little nooks and crevices on the ATV, so this will certainly help it. With ATVs, they tend to rust out in the tubes, and they start cracking. So again, I hope this video helps some of you. If it does, certainly leave a thumbs up below or a like, and make sure you subscribe. And if you have any tips or suggestions for other viewers, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching. Take care.